Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me it's right here in the corner. Once you find it, you can tap on it to enable it with whatever the default parameters are set, or you can hold the toggle and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So we have behavior, which includes sounds, vibration, and notifications, which will be displayed or, well, not displayed during Do Not Disturb mode. So basically here you exclude applications from this mode. So if they are, as an example, if we go in here, sounds and vibration, by having them enabled, they will be able to make sound or show something. Then we have calls and messages, so you can choose who can call you or message you during this mode. Then below that we have duration, so whenever you tap on a toggle, you can select what it does, and then turn on automatically allows you to set up a schedule. So once you have set it up the way you want it, you can simply leave it and tap on a toggle whenever you want to turn it on to, well, turn it on manually. And if you're using a schedule, then just make sure that the schedule in the settings is turned on, and from there you don't need to toggle this on at all. Schedule will do it automatically for you. So that being said, this is how you would set it up and use the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.